Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Ria and in today's video I will be sharing with you my Mr. DIY haul. Now you might have seen such a haul recently because so many of YouTubers are making it, and I'm from Thane in Mumbai, and there is Mr. DIY somewhere close to my house and I visited there and I have shopped a lot of stuff, and I am really excited to show you all what all I have purchased. I have started using all of them because I'm a little bit extra excited when I buy new things to use them, so I just cannot keep them packed ऐसे ही in the corner without using it. So because of that excitement I've started using these products, but I'll show you everything one by one. The prices I don't remember, so I'll put it on the screen so you can check them there, and I've also inserted few clips when I went to the store. वहाँ पे क्या क्या है, they have everything, like everything, gardening से लेके प्लम्बिंग से लेके गाड़ी का सामान, everything for babies, stationery, then this junk jewelry, hair bands, hair ties, everything, kitchenware, everything they have is so cute and so affordable. Then they have watches as well, which are really great. And yeah, in case you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. First, some of the products are gifted to me by my brother, but they are shopped from Mr. DIY only, and some are purchased with my own money. Also, the price will be mentioned on the screen. I won't be saying the price because I don't really remember, so I'll have to find the bill and then I'll mention the prices on the screen. But I'll give you a lump sum approximate price because itna to yaad rehta hai mujhe. So yeah, let's get started now. So I'll start from the most cheapest thing that I've purchased to the most expensive thing I've purchased. So the first thing that I've purchased is the most cheapest thing. These are sticky notes, and I got it for ₹20 only. There are, I think, 100 sheets. One thing that I would like to tell you is that these sheets are not that good. I did not like the stick of this because whenever I stick it anywhere, it comes out within like an hour or so. So I really did not like the quality of the gum they have used to make these, but otherwise they are too good. The paper quality is too good, it's thick enough. But the sticky notes का purpose ही ये होता है कि you can stick them, and if it doesn't work then it's kind of disappointing. Thing that I've purchased is this pimple popper. I don't know what you call it, but this is the thing. You use this to just pull off all the gunk from the skin and the to pop out your pimples or something like that, or to remove blackheads as well. So this is what I've purchased. Behind there is this dhakkan kind of thing. I am not able to open it. Let me try. Oh yeah, and then there's this pointed thing. I don't know why, but I'll poke it to something someday maybe. I don't know. But yeah, so this is the thing that I purchased. I got it for ₹69. The quality is too good. It's stainless steel. I'm using it since quite some time and it has not rusted, or there's no other issue that I've found with this. It's a great thing and it serves the purpose. Next thing that I've purchased is this it's actually a beauty sponge or a beauty blender, whatever you call it. This was inside this thing here. I have used this right now to do my makeup, so it's wet and that's why the size is bigger. Otherwise it's tiny and it fits inside this. It's very cute. I really liked it. The container is good because otherwise my sponges are fallen here and there, so this thing is really cute. It has a hanging loop as well, and I got it for rupees 105. The next thing that I bought is this folder. This is how the folder looks. It's a beautiful resin material in pink color. It has a handle here to hold it like a bag, and it has a zip here so you can store your papers or anything. I purchased it to keep all my planner and planner supplies in one place, and I got it for rupees 70 only. The quality and the color, the material, 70 rupees is really affordable, plus it is worth it because I mean the material is so thick. It has a handle also, and everything fits in so well, and then you don't have a risk of getting it torn from anything because the material is very thick. The stitching and everything is too good in quality, so I really like it and it's really worth the money. Next thing that I bought is this USB cable. Actually I have two phones, one is Android and other one is iOS. So iOS ka charger is working fine because my phone is new, but my Android phone's charger USB cable got spoiled due to some reason, so I had to buy a new one, and I bought this one for rupees 123, and it works so good. It is so good in material. Both the sides have this thing wrapped so the wire doesn't break, and otherwise also the quality is too good. The wire is long enough. I'm really liking it, and for the price I paid, it's definitely worth it. The next thing that I bought, and the second last thing of this, is this beautiful diary. Like, just look at it. It has this tassel here, and it has a button here, a pen loop here. You can just open it, and this is how the papers inside look like. I really like it, and this is actually a gift from my brother, and the price of this is only rupees 250. I think diaries, leather diaries are expensive, and for this cuteness, this tassel thing here, and the material, it's a nice leathery material, and the color combination, I think 250 is definitely worth it. Next thing that I bought is this dino. This is my cute and my favorite soft toy. Again, this is gifted by my brother. It's for 499 rupees, and this is like an unwanted purchase, but recently I decorated my YouTube space. I made it into a new space. I bought a desk for myself to study, and there is a क्यूट कॉर्नर बिसाइड दैट, एंड उसके ऊपर ये डायनो मेरा बहुत क्यूट दिखता है. आई रियली लाइक इट. यू माइट हैव सीन इट इन माई इंट्रो एज वेल. सो या, दैट इज व्हाट माई ब्रदर गिफ्टेड मी, and for the price it's too good because he's very huge, yeah, like, and the material and all, it doesn't have that hairy thing, so it's definitely not gonna give me any allergies. This is how my dino looks from behind. He has this tiny tail here, very cute. And now the very last product and the most expensive purchase of Mr. DIY, that is gifted to me by my brother, and that is, it's my new makeup kit. I am not using it yet, but yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is the pastel pink and a huge makeup kit. It's a jute material and it's really huge, like, trust me when I say this. The price is also huge, by the way. So yeah, I opened the zip and this is how it opens. Here you have some like partitions to put up brushes or something, and inside it looks somewhat like this. Very huge, like really huge. बहुत सामान आ जाएगा इसमें, पूरा मेकअप आ जाएगा मेरा इसमें. Like you know, I can put all my necessity wala makeup stuff in this, and I really like it. Now coming to the price. The price of this is 1200. I know it's expensive, but I think ऐसे cutesy and such huge sizes of makeup boxes are expensive, even on Amazon and Nykaa जैसे websites. So this, which is so sturdy, hard jute material and such a beautiful color with the golden accents on it, I think it's definitely fine, like 1200 is fine because market में यही price चल रहा है and it's a gift ना तो चल ही जाता है. That's all for today's haul. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this huge haul by Mr. DIY. I've spent a lot of money on this haul, but I've bought everything that is really needed, and also the ones which you think is unwanted, like the soft toy and everything, is gifted to me by my brother. So yeah, that's that, and yeah, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.